In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to render illustration on Adobe Photoshop. In Photoshop, there are various ways by which we can fill in our desired pattern or texture or color inside an outline. In this video, we are going to learn about how to paste into a pattern. Now, what is paste into? So let's say we have developed this pattern. In the pattern series, you have learned how to create this chevron pattern. Now go to select and then all for complete pattern selection. Or you can also use short keys as Ctrl A, that is going to select the whole image. And then go to edit, copy or press Ctrl+C. Now go to a blank canvas like this so you can open it for your understanding. So if I say paste, the whole picture is getting placed on this. If I create a little selection and then I do paste into, it is only going to showcase inside that little selection. You can also use elliptical marquee tool, and then if you use paste into, with the help of move tool, when you move, you are only going to see it inside the selection. Press Ctrl or Command+T to increase the image size. So the same methodology we are going to apply to work on our illustration. Look at this bustier part. We will use Magic Wand tool. Magic Wand usually selects the space between an enclosed line. So I have clicked my magic wand on this and I have selected only this part. Now go to edit, paste special, paste into, which is going to place my pattern only inside the selected part. You can move or transform the size. Press Ctrl or Command T, then increase or decrease the size. Right click and select warp to give the realistic curve. Now I want to fill the right hand side part of the booster. Go to the base layer. Select Magic Wand tool. Click on that part. Now let's say we want to fill this with a solid color. Go to the brush tool. Add a new layer and then start painting. You see, my brush is going all the way, but it is only brushing inside the selection area. So this method is called paste into. This will only get activated when there is some selection there. Let's render this complete dress. For the folds, I'll show you a different technique to add a pattern. Go back to the base layer, choose Magic Wand tool and right click for selection. Press Shift key to add the selection. Add a new layer, brush tool, fill this with a solid color. Now choose Burn tool for shadows. Add depth. The Burn tool darkens areas of an image. The more you paint over an area with the burn tool, the darker it becomes. Now let's focus on these folds. Go back to that pattern document. Press Ctrl or Command C for copy. Then Control and Command V for paste. Drag that pattern layer on the top. For resizing, let's convert this pattern layer into a smart object so that picture quality remains intact. Press Ctrl or Command T and then decrease the size. Now rasterize this layer for further editing. Hide this layer. Go back to the base layer. With the magic wand, select the area. Press Shift key to add selection. Bring the pattern layer on the top of the base layer. Click on the eye icon. Now click on this little icon at the bottom called Layer Mask. Use Burn tool to add shadows. For realistic folds. This is method 2 of adding pattern onto the sketch. Now let's say we want to render this part. Select the base layer, duplicate this layer and do the editing. The reason of duplicating the base layer is in case if we do not like the editing, we can delete the edited layer and start again with the base layer. Now repeat the steps, select Magic Wand tool and click. The only problem with Magic Wand tool is the whole selection has gone out when I'm trying to paste into. Because Magic Wand fills up the enclosed area. In this case, the dress area is not complete. So what I'm going to do is first undo the steps, Control or Command Z, Command D for deselection. Very carefully, I'm going to use the brush tool and complete this part. For editing, convert this layer to rasterize layer. Draw a line, smudge it and merge the line with the rest. Now again use the Magic Wand tool, paste into the pattern. The pattern stays within the dress part. If you want small pattern effect, reduce the size of the pattern, press Ctrl or Command T for transformation. However, if the pattern size is not enough to fill the entire space, press Alt and drag the layer or say pattern gets duplicated. The lower pattern is automatically on a separate layer. So keep in mind, in order to use Magic Wand tool, it is important that it should be an enclosed area.